Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use user defaults in SwiftUI. So they are providing us a property wrapper called @app_storage, and this will simplify the process of using user defaults. It allows you to bind a user default key directly to a SwiftUI view property. Here in the parentheses we can provide the key like username, and after that we have to create the variable. After the parentheses we can say private var, and the username is the variable name, and we can specify its type as a string. We can provide a default value like guest, or we can keep this optional by putting the section symbol. Okay, but let's provide the default value as guest. Okay, now I'm going to create another property wrapper @storage and saying the key as is dark mode. Okay, and the variable private, let hide this thing, var is dark mode as bool, and I'm going to set the default value as false. Okay, now the next thing here in the v stack, I'm going to remove everything and I'm going to add a toggle. Click this button and I'm going to search for toggle. Okay, in the toggle I'm going to say the label as dark mode. Let's say it will be a text. We can say dark mode is on. So we have to provide this with dollar symbol, dollar is dark mode on. Okay, now it is binding to this dark mode available in the @storage. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, just add a text field. In that text field I'm going to say enter your username. Okay, now we can provide the argument called text, and we can set it as this username. We are saying dollar username. Okay, the next step, we can provide some style. We can say text field style, and we can say like rounded border text field style, and we can add a padding to it. Okay, finally we can display this text that user entered on the text field in a text. We can say text. In the parentheses we can provide the text as hello, and I am going to output this username there. We can say username. Okay, finally we may need a padding. Alright, now whenever user switch to dark mode, we have to turn this app as dark background. Here what we have to do is just select the v stack including its padding and right click on it and click embed in set stack. Okay, now we are going to set the background color based on the dark mode toggle. We can set parentheses here and checking its dark mode is true, section symbol, and if this is true we can say color dot black. If that is false we can say color dot white. So here if the background become dark, these components text are in the dark color. Let me go ahead and show you that. If we run this here, those are not visible. So what we can do is just change foreground colors of those components. For that, here in the V stack, I am going to set it is foreground color. Yeah, it's deprecated to foreground style, we can use that. And here in the parentheses we are checking is dark mode is true. If that is true, foreground color of views will become white. If that is false, if that dark mode is turned off, the view foreground style will become to dark. You can say color dot black. Okay. Now when we run this, you will see the dark mode is not applied to here in the top of the screen status bar. So what we can do for that is here below of this we can say dot ignores safe area. Okay. Now I am going to turn this off and turn that again, and I am going to close the application and launch it again. Now you can see still the applications become dark because the state of this dark mode is stored in this app storage under user defaults. Also, let's work with the username. I am going to turn this off and type my username here like Ashane. Okay, and I am going to remove the app and open that again. Here the Ashane is coming. That because that text we typed here in this text field will be stored in this property wrapper username under user defaults. Okay. Alright, that's how we can work with user defaults to store and receive a value in a local storage. Alright, thank you very much.